Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
Court is on the record in re failure to obey subpoena involving Sean R. Carroll, case number 25 MIS 20. On August 1st, 2025, Sean R. Carroll was served with a subpoena to appear in court in the case captioned State of Ohio versus Shane R. Carroll, case number 25 CRB 65. Sean R. Carroll was ordered to appear on August 13th, 2025 at 1 o'clock p.m. Mr. Sean R. Carroll failed to appear, and as a result of his failure to appear, the law director was forced to dismiss the criminal case that had in the charges filed against Shane R. Carroll in 25 CRB 65, and all of those charges were dismissed. And as a result, the court issued an order in this MIS case that Sean R. Carroll appear before this court to show cause why he should not be held in and punished for contempt of this court for failing or refusing to comply with the court order to appear, which he was served to appear on August 1st. He was served on August 1st, 2025. I ordered the bailiff to personally serve a copy of my order on Mr. R. Carroll. The bailiff, after several attempts to serve Sean R. Carroll, was unable to serve him, but nonetheless, Sean R. Carroll has appeared. He is present in the courtroom without counsel. Also present is Law Director John Lewis. So we have served Mr. Sean R. Carroll with a copy of the order and the attachment to that order. Mr. R. Carroll, this is your opportunity to explain to the court why you should not be held in contempt of court for failing to be here on August 13th, 2025 at 1 p.m.
Your Honor, I've been in a lot of pain in it, and I spend most of the time, my time in bed, and I'll lost track of the days. I didn't even know I was supposed to be here today, but a neighbor come over yesterday and to see if I was okay, and seen the note on the door, or I wouldn't have even been here today, because I haven't been out of bed for the past 4 days.
Why?
I need a hip replacement, and I didn't have that surgery done. That my blood pressure was too high. They're trying to get my blood pressure down, and I'm in extreme pain. And like I said,
You're extreme pain with your hip pain?
Yes.
Okay.
And I didn't even know I was to be here today, and except the neighbor came over to check on me yesterday, and give you the note on the door, or I wouldn't even been here today, because I haven't even been outside the house or out of bed.
But you were served on August 1st, ordering you to be here on August 13th. I gave you 2 weeks' notice. Why didn't you even pick up the phone and talk to anyone? Did he ever call you or call your office, Mr. Lewis?
I just got confused on what day it was even.
Are you on pain medication?
Just
What's confusing you?
Just
Why are you confused? I understand. Look, you're talking to someone who had a knee replacement. So I know the pain that you're talking about. I totally understand that, but I just I'm just wondering, why are you so confused about
sleeping days at a time and not getting out of bed. I got confused on what day it was.
But why are you confused? Are you on medications?
The blood pressure medication, just ibuprofen and Boost bar.
Do you understand that there were serious charges filed against your son, Shane Arcaro? He was bound over, and then there were misdemeanor charges that remained, and those misdemeanor charges were dismissed because your lack of involvement.
And so I'm worth it now.
Was that your intention?
My intentions were to not press charges on anyhow. And I didn't want to press the charges on it.
Well, here's what bothers me, Mr. Arcaro, is that you just see. I'm starting to get more aggressive with these. When people are served with subpoenas and they refuse or fail to come to court, they're going to have to appear under contempt, or otherwise I'll issue a warrant for their arrest. You're here today. You're trying to explain to me some reasons why you didn't come on August 13th, even though you were notified, and I don't buy them. I don't buy those reasons. I understand you're in pain. I get it. I know all about pain, and most of us do too. It's just not me. Most of us know pain. This man went through a total replacement just recently of some part of his body, but he knows all what pain is. But you know what? He picked himself up and came to work every day after he had to stay put for a short time. So we're all get the pain thing, Mr. Arcaro. That's not resonating with me. We're all in pain. What you did or you failed to do was keep us advised of your situation or your wishes, especially the law director, and you inconvenienced everyone from police up to the court and everyone in between.
I apologize for that.
Excuse me?
I apologize for that. I in no way would have done that. I wanted to be here.
Do you have a phone?
Yes.
Yeah, did you ever think of calling someone? If you wanted to be here so much, did you ever think of calling anyone, Mr. Arcaro? I don't know. Answer that question for me. Didn't cross your mind?
Yes, I get anxiety attacks, and I feel myself away from people and everything around me. And
any position, Mr. Lewis?
Your Honor, Mr. Arcaro did not. He not only failed to appear in this case. There was an aggravated burglary case charged against Mr. Shane Arcaro, where Mr. Sean Arcaro was the alleged victim. 25 CRA 64. Mr. Sean Arcaro failed to appear for the preliminary hearing in that case, and that preliminary hearing, that criminal case had to be dismissed. I could not go forward with the preliminary hearing.
Yeah.
Shane Arcaro does have 3 felony domestic violence cases pending against different individuals, not different family members other than his father. But so this is the second case that I've had to dismiss because Sean Arcaro just failed to appear. Never contacted my office, was served with a subpoena. Just failed to appear.
Are you receiving treatment for your anxiety, Mr. Arcaro?
yes,
Where?
with signature that in my position.
If I may, Your
Yeah.
Honor, I would add for the record, Mr. Arcaro, at the time of these police reports, in both of these, actually it was the same police report that promulgated the domestic violence case and the aggravated burglary case. At that time, he did wish to, indicated in the report that he wished to pursue charges against his son, and he never contacted my office to say that he did not want to pursue the charges.
Your response to that, Mr. Arcaro?
Excuse me.
What's your response to that?
I apologize again for not contacting you. I did not want to pursue charges against him. He has two children he needs to be with, and I'd like to see him get back with this children.
Okay. I do find that Sean Arcaro is in contempt of court for failing to abide by the court's subpoena. I'm not going to sentence Mr. Arcaro today. I'm going to defer sentencing for roughly 30 days. I will set bond in the amount of $5,000 personal recognizance. I'm ordering the defendant to not be in possession or consume any alcohol or drugs. And when I say that, I'm talking about illegal drugs. I'm not talking about prescription medications. He is subject to random chemical testing, and he will undergo a urine drug screening today. And if he doesn't submit to a urine drug screen today, he's going to jail until he's able to do that. And we will give him a sentencing hearing date before he leaves. Okay, anything further, Mr. Lewis?
No, Your Honor. Thank you.
Sir Arcaro, did you understand what I just did? Okay. So you're going to go to the clerk's window, and then you're going to submit to your urine drug screen, and we'll give you another hearing date. Okay?